happens if we start it down here, as if you're doing an underhand butterfly, but down low at your hip. Bring your left hand up first. I'm mirroring you. So bring your left hand up first. Start here. You'd go up with the left, and then when the left gets to the top, you'd do it. So the left coming down, out, up, 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 and 5 more. 4, 3, 2, 1. And then let's do the right bottom. 5, 6, 7, and out and up, down, out, up, down, out, up, down, out, up, down, and 5 more. 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, I was having you start from here because in a real sense, I'm not sure what's going to get you here. You're probably going to be here to get to here to go into it. But I think that's actually, I think it's harder to get into it from here because one has to go up and one has to go down. Whereas I think from down here, you can move one and then move them both. But your mileage may vary. Let's start up top. 5, 6, 7, and down, out, up, and down, out, up, 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 down, out, up. We're going to do 10 more. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, last one. When you're coming up to like 11 as opposed to 12. So really try and get it to go higher so that you have more time. If you think about, if you've seen a video of a sperm, the sperm moves forward not because of the head, but because of the tail and because of the motion of the wave of the tail. If you think of your body as the tail of the sperm and the poi as the head, there's 4 places that make the wave: your fingertips, wrist, elbow, and shoulder. When you're doing this particular move right now with your right hand, what I'm observing is it looks like you're locked in the elbow, which messes up the wave, right? If it's locked, you can't do much. So if you bend right there, so what I'm doing, if I were to slow-mo it with my hand, what I'm doing, so it's straight here, but then here I bend as I'm going out. So if you think about the rotation, right, it's coming up here. As it's coming up, I bend so that I can pump outward. So it's bend, pump outward, and then I bend again to scoop underneath and bring it up. You're down here, you're not down at 6 o'clock in front of your body. So look at the difference. This is the full range of motion. But then this is what I call the wimpy cap. You're doing the wimpy cap. The wimpy cap goes a lot faster, and I think it's a lot harder to control because it's so much quicker in pace. And what's happening is you're just not doing the full range of motion, so you're going from here to here instead of here to here. Visualize the sperm metaphor, right? So this is more softness in the, and also pumping. There's a slight pumping motion with the elbow that pushes it out and scoops it from underneath to get it up. Allow looseness or fluidity in your wrist and fingertip. Oh, and slow it down and breathe, which should, that universally that helps.